This is Pallavi Nayak, faculty of Bangalore International School, Shining Stars. As we are all aware of the present situation of the coronavirus lockdown which is happening, I'm very sure the parents are facing a lot of problem keeping their children busy at home and away from gadgets. So we teachers of Shining Stars have decided to bring up some creative activities and keep the kids involved at home rather than seeing the gadgets the whole day. So this is going to be fun activity. Hope you would like it and please join along with the kids and make them do the activities. So today I am going to teach the children how to do these bookmarks. These are origami bookmarks. This is a ladybird bookmark and this is an elephant bookmark. So let's learn, children. Are you interested? Yes? Yes, let's get ahead. For the elephant bookmark, the materials required are a square piece of paper 15 by 15. If you want a smaller bookmark, you can use a smaller measurement, but it has to be a square. It can be any color. Scissors, markers, that is black and white, scale, glue and pencil. So let's get started. So first of all, you have to take the square piece of paper and fold it like so in the center. Once you have folded, just get one flap of the sheet and fold it in the center again like this. Then take the other end of this paper and fold it like so. Make it into a diamond shape. Even this, fold it into the center like this so you can form a diamond shape. Now, take this edge and paste it inside like this. Same with the other end. Tuck it inside like that. Yes? So now you have the base. So, this is our base of the elephant. So, what else is remaining? We have to make the ears and the trunk. So, for the ears and the trunk, children, I have already drawn the shapes of the ear and the trunk. So, you have to just cut it. So, this is the ears. Big ears. Yes, elephant has big ears, isn't it? Yes. And this is going to be the trunk. The trunk. Yes. So cut the trunk neatly with the help of the scissors and with the help of your parents. And once you're done with the cutting, it's time to paste. So with the help of the glue, first let's stick the trunk. Do I stick the trunk here? No, right? I have to stick it here. Yes. So after you've stuck the trunk, it's time to stick the ears, the big ears of the elephant. So I go, this is one ear and this is the other ear. Yes? Yeah, there you are. And now, is it complete? Is it looking complete, children? What is missing? The eyes. Yeah, so for the eyes, you have to just draw two eyes with the help of the marker. And once you've done it, just color the surroundings again with the help of a white marker. Like so. And then just give some outlines for the ears to make it more dramatic. to make it look more real, just draw some lines. And there you go. Your elephant bookmark is ready. So this is how your elephant bookmark works. Isn't it very pretty, children? Yes? Yeah. So now, what's next, children? What's next? It's a turn of ladybug. Yes? So for the ladybug, similarly, you'll be requiring red sheet and a black sheet. And the same materials like the elephant, the glue, the markers, the scale and the pencil. So let's get ahead and start the ladybird. It's pretty similar to that of an elephant. So take the square and fold it the same way like how you had folded for the elephant. And take the one end and fold it in the center like this. And take this end and form a diamond like this. Same way you're done for the elephant. And now tuck it inside like how you have done it for the elephant, the same way. It's very easy, children, and it's very fun to do this. And it's a beautiful thing, finally, what you get out of it. So this is your base which is ready. Now to make the shape of the ladybird, you have to cut a heart shape. So with the help of the pencil, just draw semicircles like this. And then with the help of the scissors, just cut from this a little below the edge and cut it like this. So now you have the base. This is the base of the ladybird. But something is missing. This is the butterfly. Butterfly is missing, right? So for the butterfly, take the black paper, put it inside like this. And with the help of the pen or a pencil, just draw a curve like this. A butterfly curve. Yes? Now take out that and just cut this. Because you need to stick it inside. So this, it has to be like a semicircle again. That is your butterfly head. Yes. And with the help of the glue, stick the paper inside the ladybug body. Yes. So this is your base which is ready. But is it complete yet? No. What is missing? Eyes and the dots on the body. That is also very simple, children. For the eyes, again, you have to just use marker, white marker, and make eyes. And for the body part, just draw a line like this from the center. And dots, big dots. Isn't it beautiful? My God, I just can't wait to use it. You can make this as a gift and gift it to anybody whom you like. So this is your ladybug markers. But is it complete yet? No, we have to draw eyes. Yes, we have to draw eyes. So this is it. This is a completed ladybug. So we have finished doing ladybug and elephant bookmarks. So the ladybug bookmark would look like this once you want to use it. Isn't it beautiful? Yes. So hope you enjoyed, children, and I would love to see you do this. Once the school reopens, let's meet again. See you. Have a good vacation.